This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Company of Heroes on Android. This acclaimed real-time strategy game, originally a PC favorite, has been expertly optimized for mobile. You can now command your troops and engage in intense World War II battles directly from your smartphone or tablet. We will cover everything from checking your device's compatibility to successfully installing the game and diving into its compelling campaigns. Get ready to experience strategic warfare on the go. To ensure a smooth experience, your Android device should be running Android 12 or a more recent version. You will also need a significant amount of storage. The base game requires at least 5.2 gigabytes of free space. However, for a seamless installation and to accommodate any additional content, we strongly recommend having at least 10 gigabytes of available storage on your device. This will help prevent any installation issues and ensure optimal performance. Installing Company of Heroes is straightforward. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device and use the search bar to find Company of Heroes. Once you locate the official game, proceed with the purchase, as it is a paid application. After purchasing, initiate the download and installation process. The game will automatically install and may download additional data files, which can take some time depending on your internet speed. After installation, launch Company of Heroes from your app drawer. You might be prompted to grant certain permissions. Please accept these to ensure full functionality. The game features an intuitive user interface, including a command wheel, specifically designed for mobile play. Take some time to get comfortable with the touch controls. You can then dive into the 15 compelling single-player missions, or, with all downloadable content, engage in intense online multiplayer battles with up to 4 players. Enjoy commanding your forces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.